Hi everyone, here we've got Verni M5 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let me do it, and now we have to scroll down and find the device section, and here we've got the display, so let's tap on it. Now we have to choose the wallpaper, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We can choose it from live wallpapers, and if you will have any compatible files they will appear right here. You can choose something from the Google Photos, but it is actually your gallery, and from the wallpapers which have been pre-installed here on this device. So let me pick something from the wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, so it means that we can set totally different wallpapers for both of them. And under it we've got the wallpapers section, so here we've got some pre-installed ones, so here we've got some options from which we can choose. What's more, we can tap on My Photos and you will be just transferred to your own gallery, and you will be able to pick the photo and set it as a wallpaper. But let me pick something from the defaultly installed ones, and let me choose, for example, this one on the wallpaper. As you can see, it immediately appears right here, and as I said, we can choose the same one for the lock screen. All you have to do is simply tap on the lock screen and now choose the wallpaper, and let me pick, for example, this one. And as you can see, now we've got totally different wallpapers on the lock screen and home screen. If you're happy with your choice with the results, all you have to do right now is simply tap on the back button. As you can see, your device is setting the wallpaper right now, so you can go back to the home screen, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Let's check the lock screen. And the same situation here, we've got totally another wallpaper which we've just choose. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Verni M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.